Come in. Akala ko hindi ka pa papasok eh. Have a seat. Welcome to Section E.
Sorry, sir. May nagligaw po kasi sa akin eh.
Sorry to hear that. At least you found your way. But welcome to Section E. Class, siya ang bagong classmate nyo. Let's welcome her. Or maybe you could introduce yourself, Miss Mariano.
I'm Jasper Jean Mariano. You can call me JJ. I'm a transferee from Holy Saints High School.
Guys, listen! Mr. President, baka gusto mong i-welcome si JJ. Wala ka bang question sa bagong transferee natin?
Are you still a virgin?
Keeper! Be serious! Be serious!
I said question. Sir, that's a question.
The teacher is asking for appropriate questions. Mababa siguro yung IQ.